Food machines that are on a different level. Ever considered how food processing functions? You presumably realize that the nourishments available on our markets aren't made by individuals with their bare hands. In the event that they did, it'd take quite a while, and the cost would be higher for obvious reasons. How is the food we find in supermarkets made? How would they set up our preferred chocolate, the cake we generally love to purchase, or the frozen yogurt we go for all the time? And with the kind of technology we have today, it's not all that hard to make everything in matters of seconds with machines, which would take much longer if people made them with the same quantity and quality. While giving you a rough idea on how your favorite food is made, in this video we take a look at the food machines that are absolutely on a different level. Number 7. Hantman PVLH241 Sausage Making Machine. With this equipment, it's a lot simpler to make both cooked sausages and dry ones like mini salami. Obviously, sausages or salami don't come in the shape that you're cognizant of. They need a long procedure to wind up with the shape that you're most acquainted with. Furthermore, people would like to make time to make it, yet with this machine it becomes simpler and less tedious. Additionally, the errors done by a machine is far less than that of humans. Number 6. Unifiller Cake Finishing Equipment. You've had to wonder why your favorite cake from the market always maintains its same great taste unfailingly. But now, wonder no more. With this cake finishing equipment, it's anything but difficult to make a similar mouth-watering cake over and over again. Without a doubt, it might be hard to bake a similar cake without an error if it was made by people. However, technology never ceases to succeed, especially in food prep. Unifiller gives different alternatives to cake decoration machines and icing equipments, including rosettes, top and base flanking, top and side icing, and completely mechanized cake icing systems. Number 5. Ovotech Egg Breaker. You should be well familiar with the stale complaint about breaking eggs and isolating yolks from the whites. And you're probably wondering how they do it in huge manufacturing plants. Do a group of workers meet up and when some of them are breaking eggs, the others are isolating the yolks and the whites? Calm down, that's not the case. Generally, when using this machine, it becomes a lot simpler to do it. This machine can wash, clean, and break at least 25,600 eggs for every hour. That's insane, isn't it? Number 4. Julie's Organic Ice Cream Production. It's continually refreshing and satisfying to eat a delicious and tasty ice cream cone. Besides, it's very much likely that at one point in your life you've thought about how these desserts are made. You have been eating the same ice cream which has been your favorite since your childhood, and you never noticed a difference in the ice cream all throughout these years. Now let me shock your childhood self. It's not hard to make ice creams using a machine. It seems like a fairy tale, right? Having an ice cream industrial facility and a machine that makes a huge number of these desserts every hour. Yummy! Number 3. Texter High-Speed Bacon Slicing Line. Just having thoughts on bacon makes you hungry, isn't that so? It's one of the most mouth-watering tastes on the planet. To be completely forthright, it's not all that simple to make bacon with a stunning shape, since making truly flimsy bacon, which is its particular component, can be extremely troublesome and tedious for people. And here's another machine to make all the difference. They have the equipment that can cut the ideal molded bacon for you. It works so easily and rapidly to convey the most tasty bacon to your nearby market. Receive a big thank you, dear bacon slicing machine, on behalf of all of our viewers. Chocolate is the most loved pastry by numerous individuals on this planet. And of course you can wonder, by what means would something manage to be this widely acceptable? It's quite easy to make chocolate with this machine. And no, your preferred chocolate that you think originates from paradise is really made in a manufacturing plant by machines. In any case, don't be disheartened. The machine is your great companion, and you ought to be grateful for the yummy chocolate that it makes for you. Number 1. Weber Smart Loader Side Loading System. This machine is a programmed side stacking system for single items or individual parts. It very well may be utilized for sliced items and can also be combined with various sorts of slicers and portioners. So once more, we have the technology for everything, even gathering the items, which should possibly be done by people. Nevertheless, since machines are quicker, why trouble people? Or what do you think? Drop a comment down below. With technology comes huge advantages to humanity, ranging from saving time and labor to coming up with sophisticated innovations. These food processing machines are a living example of what we can do to better our lives. If you like what you just watched, please like this video and drop a comment below on which of the highlighted machines is your favorite. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first to get alerts on our upcoming videos. Bye for now!